In this video, I'll show you how to connect HDMI devices on your Hisense Roku TV, including soundbars, home theaters, but also if you have a PlayStation or other devices of this kind. So let's get started right away. First of all, we'll go on the back of the TV where all the inputs are located. So here we are on the back of the Hisense Roku TV, and if we look closely, right there, we're gonna have all our inputs. The first one over here is a USB port. This is not an HDMI, so we'll forget it. This TV has 3 different HDMI ports, number 1, 2, and 3. If you want to connect a sound device like a soundbar or a home theater, a receiver, an amplifier, you'll need to connect it on the first one over here where it says HDMI EARC ARC. By connecting it in this specific HDMI port, you'll be able to control it using the TV. So every time you turn on your Hisense Roku TV, your soundbar will turn on at the same time, and you'll be able to change the volume using your Hisense remote control and not the soundbar remote. So this is very practical to have your TV controlling the other device. So this is for HDMI 1. Maybe your Hisense TV has this ARC feature on HDMI 2 or 3. You just need to check and make sure that EARC is written beside the HDMI name. For this video, I want to connect my PC computer to this TV. I won't have to connect it to HDMI 1 necessarily. I can connect to any of these. And for the purpose of this video, I'll connect it to HDMI 3. So take the HDMI cable here, and you're gonna notice there's a specific way on how to insert it. You just have to match the shape with your cable like this, and make sure you push it all the way in. Okay, perfect. Now it's time to connect this cable to the other device. So this is my computer and it has an HDMI port on this side. Over here, I just have to connect it like that. Next step is to turn on, let me put it on the side. And now to see the connected device on your Hisense TV, we need to select the input. So take your remote control, press the home button here, and over here, where all the apps are located, you should also see your inputs. I have connected, if you remember, this HDMI cable to HDMI 3, so I'll select HDMI 3. And just like that, the image should come up automatically. Now, what if you have connected a soundbar or home theater receiver or something like that, okay? Then it's a bit different. In that case, you'll need to press the home button again, and on the menu on the left side, go down, select settings, go over here where it says audio, press OK. Audio output, select OK, and then select EARC HDMI 1. And now it should finally work, because you need to select that you want your sound to come out of the HDMI port if this is what you wanted. After doing this, press the home button, launch your app, and hopefully you're gonna hear sound out of your device. If it's still not working, go again, press the home button, go into the settings again, go down, select system this time. Okay, this should be the last option on in that menu. Then go down, select control other devices, CEC, and over here I don't have any soundbar connected for now, but you should see your soundbar or your home theater receiver over there, and you should be able to activate it to be able to turn on this feature, and then you'll be able to hear sound through HDMI. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.